day 22 of opening Pokemon cards every single day. Tomorrow is the last pack from this ETB that we opened, and we will decide what we open next tomorrow, so make sure you stay tuned for that. Here is the code card for you guys. Vanillish, Lampent, a Fossil, Swaddle, Energy, Swoobat, Mandibuzz, and we got a Pokeball Frillish, and nothing. We did get a Hollow Energy, but I threw it because I didn't know that it was a Hollow Energy at the time. But anyway, let's leave this card up. And here is the extra code card for you guys, and I hope you guys have a good night.